See how beautiful it is? And 1, 2, 3. Hey presto, and goes to the city ku zanieczyszczeniu. Wiecie, what the finish is. You know what the finish is. Rubbish, ugliness, not like this. Look at these bronzes. Oh, these magnificent bronzes. A popiel. This popiel beautiful. A to? Co to takie? Oh my god. This is from outer space. What is this thing? This is some horrible spawn from outer space, bent on humanity's demise. What kind of marchewka is this? What kind of carrot? I never saw. I've never seen anything like this. Horrible and ugly, yet błyszczy, sparkling. No, has a shine to it. Some outwardly must have sent some thought disturbances, because in a moment I lost my balance.